Hello everyone, welcome to Small Model Car. Today we have got a 2017 Toyota LandCruiser 78 pickup truck. This casting is by Matchbox, and as you can see it's new for 2025. This looks like a nice casting. It's still a mainline, but I can see some good details. So let's open it up and see how does it look. So here is the LandCruiser out of its box. For those who don't know, Toyota still sells these old school Land Cruisers in few markets like Australia and Japan. That's what I know of. And they also sell the new one. So, talking about this casting, it looks like a beautiful casting. Has got nice paint, very classic Land Cruiser paint. Also got this paint scheme going on the side. It looks good. Now, starting from the front, you got nice details up front. Got detailed headlamp, detailed grille with Toyota badge. You can also see the bumper with fog lamps, but again they are not detailed. Also see a scoop in the hood. I'm glad they did both the mirrors. Looks good. Also from the front you can see there's a snorkel and windshield wipers. Again, good details. Now coming to the driver side, these are only right-hand market cars, so they don't have a left-hand drive version. So you can see the steering on this side. Now, on the driver's side, you again got good details. You got turn indicator. You got this molding going all the way from front to the back. Again, typical of SUV thing or truck thing. Also on the bed, you can see there are like details for the tying. I think those are tying points and a small. I think this is a gauge. No, like there's a metal bar going on the back. So again, good details there. Also I like the wheels, they look really good on the SUV, and I think Matchbox has done with some of the recent SUVs where they have used these wheels in different shades and they look perfect on all of them. Also from the side you can notice it's got a tow hitch, so again making it more workhorse, saying it's a working truck. Coming to the back, you've got Toyota written on the tailgate. No tail lamps detailed here. Something really not funny, but a lot of these trucks are so reliable that a lot of them end up being in the hand of a lot of different criminal organizations because they still work everywhere. Don't take it seriously. Now coming to the passenger side, looks almost identical, no major differences here. This is how it looks from the top, and if you look closely in the bed there are some details there. You got a chain there, a chainsaw, and it looks like a tool bag. The interior is done in gray. Don't see any major details, but yeah, everything is there. Steering wheel and other stuff. And this is how it looks from the bottom. So overall, well, I would say it's a very nice casting, especially for a mainline. And if you're a fan of Land Cruisers, you're especially gonna love this. So yeah, go grab one. You won't be disappointed. Thanks for watching. Have a good day.